In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user in Salesforce as part of our simple Salesforce tutorials series. This is a pretty straightforward process that can be completed quickly, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Before we dive into the steps, it's important to mention that you won't be permanently deleting the user. Instead, you'll be deactivating them. Salesforce does not allow complete deletion of user accounts to maintain data integrity and historical records. So with that in mind, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account. This is the initial step for anything you need to do within Salesforce, so make sure that you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, you should see the familiar Salesforce interface. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is the setup menu. Click on this icon to access the setup page where you'll find advanced configuration options. Head into Advanced Setup after clicking on the gear icon, and this will take you to the heart of the administrative tools available within Salesforce. Now that you're in the Setup area, you'll notice a quick find box at the top left of the page. This search box is your gateway to finding the specific settings you need without having to scroll through several menus. Type in users into this quick find box. As Salesforce returns search results, you'll see the user's entry pop up. Click on that to proceed. Once you've selected users, you'll be presented with a list of all the user accounts associated with your Salesforce instance. Now we need to locate the specific user that you wish to deactivate. It's helpful to have the user's name handy to make the process smoother. Scroll through the list or use any built-in search functionality to find the user's profile that you need to deactivate. Once you've located the user, click on their name to view their details. Under this user profile, you will see a number of options and checkboxes. Look for the section with a checkbox labeled Active. Currently, if the user is active, this box will be checked. To deactivate the user, simply uncheck the active box. This tells Salesforce that this specific user is no longer active, which effectively makes them inactive in the system. Finally, don't forget to click the Save button to apply the changes. This is an essential step because if you don't save, the user will remain active. Once you hit save, the user account will be deactivated and you're all set. Deactivating users who no longer need access to Salesforce helps keep your accounts organized and enhances security. Thank you for following along with our guide on how to delete a user in Salesforce. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and stay tuned for more easy Salesforce tutorials to help you navigate your administrative tasks with ease.